plunger pants.
Yeah. So, basically how we play this is we're gonna take turns.
See this on commercial. This girl had a car.
Yeah. So basically, here's the guy. So his hit is basically fixing the seat.
6553.
So basically, we're supposed to take turns putting one of these tools on his pants, and
like
the
this.
ones. Yeah, like that. So basically, yeah, and then whichever one of us makes his hip pop out and the water sprays, they basically lose. So let's get right into this video.
Wait. That's disgusting right there.
Okay, go.
That's disgusting.
Wanna go?
The heaviest.
I think I'm gonna win, by the way. Okay, go. I'm gonna go for this one.
We
Oh! Dang it! Guys, if you guys didn't see the first round, Pepper lost. So I think this time I'm gonna win the game, but I might lose. I don't know. So you ready? Okay, go. Alright.
go with the heaviest again.
The heaviest. He has a plan. I'm gonna go with blue. Okay, go. That one. Oh, I lost! I lost. This is the tiebreaker. I am so nervous, guys. So, yeah, I'm so excited for the tiebreaker, but I'm nervous at the same time. So I'm gonna go first this time. I started with the heaviest. I'm scared.
Not the heaviest.
Oh wow. I'm gonna start with the middle. I mean, it's heavy, but not too heavy.
Oh, okay.
I'm scared. Yay! Wait, who won?
My turn, baby.
Wait.
You put yours down first.
Guys, so I'm so sad. We did not see who won. If you guys saw who won, make sure you guys put it in the comments down below. I was so confused because I saw us put them down at the same time, and then this dude, he's like, oh yeah, like he just so. I was just sitting there like. So guys, if you guys want us to view any more games, make sure you leave it down in the comments down below. And what do you guys want for Christmas? This dude, he wants a big old dirt bike, and I want anything.
Yeah, I want it too.
Yeah, so thanks for watching the video. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe and like and hit that notification button. Peace. No, you can